Hello everyone, my name is Matusha Agarwal and you are listening to FinTalk Insights where we discuss all things related to the finance and credit industry. Today, we are discussing what is writing off in a credit report means and how it affects your CIBIL score, brought to you by Credit Click, a renowned fintech company. A CIBIL report contains details of an individual's credit history such as the number of accounts, name of the lender, loan amount, as well as the payment history. Here, the most interesting question is what writing off in a CIBIL report actually is. So, written off shows in a CIBIL report when the borrower is unable to repay EMIs of their outstanding loans for more than 3 months or 180 days, and it has been reported by the lender to CIBIL and thus removing them from their books as an asset. It is a mark that suggests that we have defaulted on a debt and it can stay on our credit report for years. The status can have a negative influence on the borrower's goodwill in front of the banks and can impact their future borrowing potential as it compromises the trust in future dealings and portrays the borrowers as non-trustworthy. In conclusion, this writing off has a drastic effects on one's CIBIL report and is detrimental to the health of their CIBIL score. Sometimes settlement and written off can be confused as the same. The hairline difference in between these is that in settlement an agreement is made with the consent of both parties for partial payment of the loan amount, whereas in written off the lender is required to write written off in the report if a borrower defaults for more than 3 months or 180 days. However, the good news is that with some strategic steps and financial discipline, it is possible to remove this chain and improve our credit score. Now, let us discuss what steps can help you remove this chain from your credit history. The first and the foremost is to obtain your CIBIL report. Get a copy of your CIBIL report and review this report carefully to understand the extent of damage and to identify all written off accounts. Second is to get the lender. Get in touch with your lender and engage in conversation on how to repay your debt and the steps to verify it. Third, repay the outstanding amount. Repaying the entire amount is crucial and the amount may comprise of principal amount, the accrued interest and any additional charges. Fourth, obtain a no dues certificate. After repayment, request a no dues certificate from your lender as it will serve as a proof that you have had repaid your outstanding loan amount. Fifth, request a CIBIL update from your lender. Subsequent to your no dues certificate, request your lender to update this information to a credit bureau. You can also directly approach them to raise a dispute to clear the status. 6. Follow up. Regularly check up on your CIBIL report to ensure that the reports have been updated and you do not have any further default. 7. Build a positive credit history. After repaying the written off accounts, start building a positive credit history. Ensure timely payments of all your ongoing credit and use your credit card wisely, maintaining a low balance and paying off all the dues in full in each month. 8. Seek professional help. To build a good credit history, you can hire a credit expert such as Credit Click or Credit Refine as they will help you get a desirable credit score. 9th, monitor your credits regularly. Regular monitoring of your credit reports helps in identifying any issues early and addressing them properly. It also helps you to stay informed about your credit. The best way to avoid getting a written off status in your CIBIL report is to manage your finances well and keeping an eye close on your credit score. And that's all for today. Stay tuned for the next episode. Share this episode with your friends and family and do follow us on our Instagram handles. And if you have any further questions or any suggestions, please feel to approach us. Thank you for tuning in to FinTalks by Credit Click, and we will see you in the next episode.